attained independence in 1980, a moment of profound hope, a moment when the chains of colonial operations were broken and the promise of self-determination was born. Sanapinda mashoko kudanyogwa panguva ino zvichionekwa kunzi aiwa ava makore akati kuti since aiwa we got our independence, but the situation mumastreets haisi kana kumbochinja. Tinoona kuti panguva ino chipomusaro vanoposta this picture ramuri kuona in one community muona kunzi aiwa mvura yasemanaira iri kuita panguva ino tarise madhaka zvaakaita. Tichipinda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panguva ino bva subscribe like what on the bell icon. Anoendera mberi chipomusaro aitaura mashoko achiti, we sang songs of freedom, we danced in the streets, and we believed deeply that the future would be ours to shape. But now 45 years later, I ask, what have we done with that freedom? Drive from Plum Tree to Mutare, from Bridge to Chirundu, from Harare to Nyamapanda, what do we see? Craters, mass wanderings as roads, highways that have become death traps, infrastructure that has decayed, not because of war, not because of natural disaster, but because of neglect, corruption, and a refusal to take responsibility. We cannot continue to blame sanctions for every pothole, every collapsed bridge, every washed away culvert. Sanctions did not stop us from maintaining our roads. Sanctions did not force us to divert public funds meant for development into private pockets. Sanctions did not tell us to abandon planning, engineering, and accountability. 45 years is a long time. A child born in 1980 is now a parent. A nation that cannot build or maintain roads in 4.5 decades must look inward, not outward, for answers. We must stop weaponizing blame. We must stop the politics of excuses. The people of Zimbabwe deserve better. They deserve roads that connect them to opportunity, to hospitals, to schools, to markets. Roads are not a luxury, they are a lifetime. So I ask again, until when shall we keep blaming sanctions? Domashukwa naye chibvunzo panguva ine nachipomusaro wapinda comment section medu mudza mafungiro enyu kudi pamusoro pemafungiro ake nemasuggestion ake. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, chitondo on the bell icon.